Happy Wednesday, everyone. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with a Real Broker. And today I want to talk to you about 5 properties that just came on the market in the Gulf communities of Pinellas and Pasco County. First off, we have a beautiful 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,380 square foot home listed with Century 21 Coastal Alliance in Tierra Verde for $1,150,000. Next, we have a beautiful Newport Richey home, 5 beds, 3 baths, 3,852 square feet, listed with Keller Williams Realty for $1,250,000. Getting closer, up in Pasco, we have a beautiful 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,115 square foot home with Papa's Real Estate LLC, listed for $1,450,000. Up in Palm Harbor, we have a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,656 square foot home listed with Charles Rutenberg Realty for $1,279,000. And lastly, we have a Dunedin home with Smith & Associates Real Estate with 5 beds, 4 baths, 3,834 square feet for $950,000. If any of these homes seem like an ideal property for you, give me a call. My number is 727-303-1521. And CD Selling St. Pete is my handle for all my social media. Talk to you later.